Is Bitcoin about to have the same explosive move that it did in 2017? Take a look. We just got above this trend line. We are about to come down and hold it as support. The only other time in history that we did that was 2017, where we finally got above this yellow line and we came down to hold it as support. And what we did after that was an absolute explosion in dominance in the crypto space. Take a look at where we are, because back in 2017, we were below this trend line for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of days. And we finally got above this line and we came down to hold it as support here. And this was a power play move. This was an explosive move. Why is that important? Well, right now we've been below that line for a couple hundred days, just like in 2017. In fact, those were the only two times in history that we were really below it for hundreds of days. And by the way, we just broke above it. And by the way, we're just coming down to hold it as support as we speak. The same exact thing we did in this candle from July 2017. So what is about to happen next? Are we about to have the same type of move? Let's dig into it. The facts. Do you wish you were making more money in crypto? Do you want to recover those bad losses? Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone? Well, today, your dream is a reality. My indicator bundle is a one-time payment and unlock it for life. Get money-making buy and sell alerts directly to your phone. It works for Bitcoin and all altcoins. It's great for day traders, swing traders, and long-term holders. Whether you've been in crypto for 10 minutes or 10 years, sign up now and make 5 times more in this cycle with my indicator bundle. Best of all, this is the largest ever discount we have ever had on the indicator bundle. The problem? It's only for a limited time. Pay with crypto and save an extra $250. Plus, sign up right now and unlock 3 special bonus trade alerts valued at over $1,500 completely free. I literally can't make it any easier. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com/sale. Give yourself this gift you can use for life. Once you sign up, see if you're a lucky winner to add my hybrid indicator to your cart. Go now. The clock is ticking. cryptocrewuniversity.com/sale. Again, that's cryptocrewuniversity.com/sale. Now here we are. Bitcoin US dollar index. We're on the monthly chart. And this is such a clean, beautiful chart here, because this yellow line right here is the most important trend line in all of Bitcoin. It started back in the glory days of 2013, acting as key resistance to this first market cycle top from April 2013. You can see clear resistance, candle after candle after candle. This candle right here, October 2013, was our breakthrough candle. The next candle, our confirmation candle. Look at the structure it held here. Beautiful structure, really a bold candle. And then we started to fall down. We held it as support back in October 14 for a couple months, then acted as resistance, and then the turmoil had started. We stayed below this yellow line for 800 days. 800 days acting as resistance to this little old trend line. Then we finally broke through it with April 2017 candle. We confirmed that breakout in our May candle, and we are off to the races. As I've shown you many times on this channel, what often happens is when you have market structure acting as resistance on any time frame, and it's highly important resistance, once you break through that, you'll often see an explosive rally in the market. Why? Because it took so much momentum to finally burst through there. Oftentimes you get rejected once, twice, 3, and then the explosion like a rocket ship. Usually you always see an explosion through that market structure, and then it starts to turn and dive back and retest that market structure. I've shown you so many charts where that's true. Here's another example. We have this trend line. It's incredibly important. At that time, it has been important for 4 years, and we broke through it. We had an explosion in price. We went parabolic. If you look at like what percentage gain off of that, it was a 120% move in a really short period of time. And then what did we do? We came back down to confirm that market structure as support. and it was bought up. You see this huge wick here? That means there was a lot of buying. Smart money was buying that area. Why? Because it's been an important area of confluence for 4 years. At that time, it was already the most important trend line in Bitcoin. We came back down to confirm support. This is what I call a power play. Anytime you break structure, you rally up, everybody gets excited. It always comes back down to confirm structure, and then the real explosion happens. Okay, it catches everybody off guard because they think, oh my God, it's exploding now, I gotta buy. Then they buy, and then we crash back down to confirm structure. Then they sell everything, and then they sell at the bottom, and they miss out on this whole rally because they're completely caught off guard with what's happening. It happens in all time frames, by the way. So that's exactly what we're doing at the moment, right? It took us, we've been below this level for almost 600 days, right? It was 800 back here. It was almost 600. Our breakthrough candle was in February, and our confirmation candle was in March. And here we are. We exploded in price. How far above this trend line did we explode? We exploded about 40%. And what are we doing now? We're coming back down to confirm it as support. This is what happens. And this could be our power play. We had that power play back here, came back, confirmed structure, and a complete explosion. From Mark, Steve's education made all the difference. We profited 50,000. From Dr. George, in just 1 week, I made $70,000 profit using Steve's indicators. Carl, I made 300% trade with his system. Go now. The clock is ticking. CryptoCrewUniversity.com/sale. There's only a couple things standing in our way. Number one, you've got to look at the candle formation as we speak. Okay, this is Bitcoin US dollar. We're on the monthly chart, and we've got a wick to the downside, which is really good. The close is coming at the end of the month. The higher we go in prices, the longer the wick we're going to have. The longer the wick we're going to have, the more momentum we've got to the upside. It's really that simple, right? Bitcoin could close even lower, making this wick almost null and void. The only thing standing in the way, and the thing that's going to define this candle formation, as well as the power play option, is right here. Our weekly chart. Our weekly chart shows that Bitcoin has been range bound for 50 days. We've had resistance at 73, and luckily for you, I gave you a warning when Bitcoin was above 73. When everyone was saying we're going up, 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 I said we're about to go down. It's about to be a surprise correction and a big one. And since then, we haven't touched 73, not even close. But since then, we've came down to touch 60 and 59 3 times, which I gave you that buying strategy at the time of the video that I warned you. I said, use this strategy, it will help you. If you used it, you literally bought at 60,000 3 different times already. So we have a parallel channel here. The market's moving sideways, 73 resistance, support at 59, and we're range bound, right? There's 2 kinds of markets. There's trending markets and there's range bound markets. Trending markets can trend up or trend down. Range bound moves sideways, build structure. It's that simple. There's just 2 kinds of markets. We're in the range bound, which happens to be relatively boring, right? There's any move inside of 73 and 59 irrelevant. The only way we have to get above 73 is a stochastic RSI cross up on the weekly. I want to mention that with the indicator bundle, there's just been a crazy amount of people going to the website and signing up. Our inbox is ridiculously on fire right now. We're working around the clock. So I want to put your mind at ease. When you sign up to the indicator bundle, you're going to get an automatic email within 1 minute, maximum 5. It's an automated email. So go to your inbox. There's going to be instructions there. If it's not there, it's in your spam folder. If it's somehow not there, just email me, info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. But we are manually adding your indicators to your TradingView account, okay? This takes a little bit of time to manually put it in, okay? So just be patient. Everything's going to be perfectly fine. We're going to answer every single email. But man, there's been a crazy amount of people that have flocked to the website, and the website almost crashed multiple times, but we're all over it. Okay? We're working around the clock relentlessly, and you will be taken care of. You will be just fine. All right? So no matter what, if you have a big problem, small problem, we will take care of it. There is absolutely no worry about that. But you will have an email. There will be instructions there, the videos to watch there, the bonus trade alerts we'll watch there, notes on how to use the indicator, training videos on how to use the indicator. You'll have all sorts of bells and whistles. You will be just fine. And the only way we have to get below 59 is continued downward momentum in the stochastic RSI. And our stochastic RSI, what it does from this point forward will signal how this monthly candle will close. If it gets more bullish, we're going to erase this wick. If we erase this wick on our monthly scale, we have no momentum to the upside. We will then have momentum to the downside. However, if we have a stochastic RSI cross in the coming days to the coming week, we could have a potential savior of this candle and have momentum to the upside. But the king is going to remain the weekly stochastic RSI cross. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Check out what my indicator bundle can do. BitShib USD turned 10,000 into 30,000 with this quick buy and this quick sell. Bitcoin turned $10,000 into 147,000. Ethereum turned 10,000 into 270,000. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Don't miss out. Clock is ticking. Stop leaving money on the table. Sign up now and get buy and sell alerts directly to your phone for the rest of your life. Recover those losses and make 5x more in this market cycle. Pay with crypto and save an extra $250. Don't miss out. Offer ends soon. CryptoCrewUniversity.com/sale.